Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore static assets in CDN cache using AWS CloudFront. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore static assets in clear CDN cache using AWS CloudFront, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the CloudFront service. In the CloudFront dashboard, find the list of your distributions. Select the distribution you want to work with by clicking on its ID. This will open the Distributions Settings page. Look for the Invalidations tab at the top of the page. Click on the Invalidations tab to access the Invalidation Management section. Next, click the Create Invalidation button. In that Object Paths field, input the paths of the static assets you wish to restore. Use a wildcard character if you want to invalidate multiple files at once. For example, use /* to invalidate all files in a distribution. After entering the necessary paths, click the Invalidate button. This will begin the invalidation process, which may take a few moments. You can monitor the status of your invalidation in the Invalidations list. Once the status changes to completed, your CDN cache will be cleared for the specified assets. To restore your static assets, ensure that the latest versions are available in the origin. Depending on your setup, you may need to upload new files to your S3 bucket or web server. Verify that the updated assets are functioning as expected. Test the URLs of the static assets in your browser to confirm successful updates. By following these steps, you will have effectively restored your static assets and cleared the CDN cache using AWS CloudFront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.